Hello everyone. Welcome to a new video. If you find our videos interesting and want to be part of our growing community, I'd really appreciate it if you could take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe. In this video, we will understand how to sketch the face of Kobe Bryant. Kobe Bryant was born on August 23, 1978, in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, USA. His full name is Kobe Bean Bryant. Kobe spent his entire 20-season NBA career with the Los Angeles Lakers from 1996 to 2016. He entered the NBA directly from high school, being selected 13th overall in the 1996 draft. Bryant was a shooting guard and played his entire career with the Lakers, becoming an iconic figure in the franchise. He won 5 NBA championships with the Lakers 2000, 2001, 2002, 2009, and 2010. Kobe was an 18-time NBA All-Star and won 2 Olympic gold medals with the United States national team 2008 and 2012. In 2006, he scored a career-high 81 points in a game against the Toronto Raptors, the second highest single-game scoring performance in NBA history. Known for his work ethic, Kobe earned the nickname, Black Mamba, a persona he embraced on and off the court. Bryant was the youngest player in NBA history to reach 30,000 career points, achieving this milestone at the age of 34. He was awarded the NBA Most Valuable Player (MVP) in the 2007-2008 season. Kobe was named NBA Finals MVP twice, 2009 and 2010. Off the court, Bryant was involved in various philanthropic efforts and won the NBA Community Assist Award in 2008. He was fluent in Italian, having spent part of his childhood in Italy where his father played professional basketball. Kobe was the first guard in NBA history to play at least 20 seasons. His final NBA game on April 13, 2016, saw him scoring 60 points against the Utah Jazz, a fitting farewell to his illustrious career. Bryant wrote a poem titled, "Dear Basketball," which later became the basis for an animated short film that won an Academy Award in 2018. He released several basketball-themed books, including The Mamba Mentality: How I Play, in 2018. Kobe was an ambassador for women's basketball and a vocal supporter of the WNBA. Thank you for watching.